Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to I'm the Dude Games. My name is I'm the Dude 5. Today we'll be continuing LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2 with Part 5. Hail Hydra! I do apologize, guys. It's been about a week and a half to 2 weeks since I did my last upload. I've been working like a dog, and I have had zero energy to do videos. So, as an apology, today, I believe, is April 2nd. We are now in the month of April as I'm uploading this. So, I'm going to do I'm going to do 2 LEGO vids today. As well as a live stream later of some D2 Crucible, Destiny 2 Crucible, and other things with my friend Night the Wolf. I'm currently at 98 subs. I'm still trying to break the 100 sub mark. So if you guys could please help me out with that, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'll do a sub grind stream later with my friend Night Wolf. So let's get underway here. The great thing about LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2 is now you can, instead of having to find a vehicle summoning pad, you can now whatever vehicles you have unlocked, you can actually access the character grid and then access the vehicle selection grid from the character selection screen and just assemble whatever vehicle you want in the open world, so you don't have to find any vehicle pads anymore, which is really nice. It's a nice improvement.
Vibranium into the vibranium deposit receptacle.
Yeah, it's a little less than we'd planned thanks to those interfering Avengers. Now, open up! We need to bump the next phase of the plan up the schedule.
So I tried jumping out of the plane onto the airship, and I kind of failed, so it's easier just to select a character who can fly up there. That's just my advice.
Insufficient vibranium detected in receptacle. Door mechanism not engaged. If you have misplaced your vibranium sample, say yes to initiate vibranium search protocol. Otherwise, say no and await retribution from your immediate supervisor.
Investigate points of interest on the compass in the corner of your screen to help complete your objective. You can also check the positions on the map by pressing the map button.
In nearby vicinity. Recommended action: search nearby ground for samples. Use fine-tooth comb if necessary.
So the door only opens with enough vibranium in the tub? What a pain!
The crate is only small. We should be able to find enough scraps of vibranium in this area to fill it.
So it's easier to see on your mini-map in your lower left corner of the screen, but you can kind of see little glowing blue cones where the vibranium samples are on the map from the overhead view. So we're going to go ahead and Geronimo.
Entering sleep mode. Not that I'm dropping hints or anything, but you know, hurry up.
That sounds like Edna Mode from Incredibles.
Tampering with Kang's surveillance drone is a punishable offense.
Thankfully, Dr. Strange can fly due to the cloak of levitation, which I think is cool. So that's one vibranium sample. Some of these are a little tricky to find, especially if you're going off of the mini-map. Plus, on the mini-map indicator, it'll indicate how high or low the vibranium sample is. If you see like an arrow pointing down on the vibranium sample you're looking for, that means it's lower than your current height. If it's higher, that means you need to go up. Ah, there it is. See, like I said, some of these can be a little tricky to find. It was on ground level. That's 3 collected so far. They're not terribly hard to find. They are a little... Some of them are just a little trickier to find than others. They hide them in little nooks and crannies. You gotta be careful. There's another one. That's 4. That's 5. And I don't know why I didn't see that one sitting on top of the lamppost right away, but did find it eventually. So real quick, guys, and I think I've said in the past, I will try to do my best to upload a video every day or every other day. I have to try to hold myself to that schedule. It's just this past spring break, I work for the post office, and so as a part-time rural carrier, your hours can vary, but this past spring break, it's like when people go on vacation, you have to, as a part-time RCA, then you get called in to try to fill in. And so I've been getting a lot of hours this past week, and I've been working really hard, and I've been so exhausted that I haven't had the energy to try to do videos. And so these LEGO videos are shorter. So it's not like it takes too much time to edit and upload them. So even while I'm working, guys, I will try to stick to a everyday or every other day schedule as far as videos go, because this LEGO series is going to take me a while, and I still have God of War 4 coming out for the PS4 that I'm planning on doing a series on. So I have to try to keep myself on a schedule, whether I like it or not. So I will do my best to hold myself to a everyday or every other day schedule as far as uploading goes. Keep more content coming to my channel, so that way I keep my subscribers, stuff like that.
Picking up all this trash? Kind of feels a bit like community service, huh?
Know a lot about community service, do you, Starmunch?
Deposit accepted. Engaging door mechanism. Hail Hydra.
That really does sound like Edna Mode
And
from
we're
Incredibles.
in. Break out the good vibranium claw. You've got company.
Quickly, let's head inside before they realize something is wrong.
They make StarLord a little bit of a tool in this game. He just, the way he acts, the way he talks.
Just when you thought it couldn't get any odder around here, with Knights, Kingdoms, and Jungles being our new neighboring districts, I can exclusively reveal a new dark side to Chronopolis. A twisted, tyrannical, totalitarian Hydra version of our beloved Manhattan. How and when this happened, who can say? All J. Jonah Jameson knows is this corrupted, Hydra-run Big Apple is collaborating with Kang. Any friend of Kang, though, faces a red, white, and blue pasting from a real New Yorker, who also happens to be an Avenger. Captain America, who, along with Black Panther, is hot on the heels of Claw and the stolen Wakandan vibranium, as they press on to the Hydra airship for answers. Hydra still use airships? Yeah, balloons are real scary.
You know, I never thought I'd end up working for a totalitarian regime. Funny how things turn out.
Yeah, but it's not all bad. Look at this logo. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, I guess. Although it should have 8 arms, surely. Being an octopus.
Hey, you know what? You're right. I never thought of that.
You know, I never noticed it either, but the Hydra logo actually does have 6 octopus arms instead of 8.
Captain America, nice of you to join us. You cease to exist here in the glorious world of Hydra, but the meddlings of Kangmina must put up with your star-spangled nonsense once more.
Giving Claw a hand, Zola?
A little joke, very good. Soon you will be laughing on a different side of your face. Alert! Intruders detected in lower sector 5A. Hail Hydra!
Okay, so that is the actor or actress who does Edna Mode in The Incredibles. That sounds exactly like her.
Going somewhere, Captain Rogers?
That's got to be.
You can hide on this ship.
So we kind of need a character who can levitate or fly just to get up to that lever.
What am I in for today?
Ah, there you are. I've been expecting you.
Oh, you have not. Quit trying to be cool. Okay. Maybe he was expecting us.
Perhaps we can use Claw's lasers to our advantage.
I'm way ahead of you, Pussycat.
You win this round.
We're clear. Quickly, after him.
If you look real closely at that Hydra logo, yeah, it has 6 arms instead of 8.
It appears that our path is blocked yet again.
Gotta admit, these Hydra guys are pretty good at making barricades out of random junk.
Stay focused. Look for something we can use to get past.
So I kind of discovered this by accident. Real quick, we're just going to come down here. And there's a computer terminal that Black Panther can access here. And this is a little slide puzzle that I'm not too good at those things, so I'm just going to skip to where I solved it. And then that will unlock a character token skin for Captain America.
A most valuable item. I should take great care of it.
You do get studs for moving each correct piece in that slide puzzle. But also back here behind, not the second, but this first pillar, there's a mini kit right there, so there's a couple of collectibles for you guys. Keep in mind where those are at, because I just showed you. Kind of funny because, like, yeah, they have to come up with these, like, it's a Lego game, so you know, they got to come up with ways to get around certain obstacles to make it more fun, to make it more interactive.
Hey, those crates look kind of useful.
You're right.
But like,
Well-aimed throw
if
of my
you're
shield
really
should get them
thinking
down.
about it, like, Captain America is strong enough to just bust through all that rubble if he really wanted to. If this were if this weren't a Lego game, if this were an actual, like, superhero movie or game, like, Cap would bust through that. Black Panther would bust through that. Even StarLord could bust through that, no problem.
Hey, thanks.
But this is a Lego game, so we gotta interact with a bunch of shit.
All right, a gravity booster. Here we go.
Well, that worked.
Probably should have given you guys a little heads up about that. My bad.
Again, they make him sound like such a tool in this game. Luckily, if you're a flying character, you can fly over to that little corner and collect that blue stud.
There appears to be a control panel for the gate on the platform above.
I see it. Need a lift?
Yes. Thank you, Captain.
Okay, team. Get ready. Claw's just up ahead.
He will pay for his treachery.
Why do I suddenly have a really bad feeling about this?
I don't know, I guess it's just you, Star Munch. Like...
You have made it this far, but no farther. I will eliminate you all!
Stand down, Claw. You are only making this more difficult for yourself.
Oh, you think so, T'Challa? We shall see about that.
Like, the StarLord that's portrayed in, like, comic books and now the MCU, like, I really enjoy the character, but the StarLord that they portray in this LEGO game, he is such a tool. Like, I don't like him. I really don't. At least not so far.
Attention all agents. Deploy more reinforcements to assist Claw. More, I said.
They got Zola in on the action here now. Plus, they kind of made Cap's character in this a little bland. In a way. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's like, throughout these episodes so far, like, Cap's character, he kind of has, like, very few cheesy one-liners, combined with the fact that, like, his interactions with some of the other characters are just very low energy. Almost like he doesn't care. It's like...
You fools are testing my patience!
So it's like, I don't know how much you can come to expect as far as something like that, as far as character development from a LEGO game, but it's like, still, you know, why make StarLord a tool? Why make Cap very low energy? You know? So, in my mind, the StarLord that is portrayed in this LEGO game is in fact
starting to get on my nerves.
Star Munch.
Uh-oh. Look out, guys.
StarLord that... I will refer to the StarLord in this game as Star Munch. I will refer to the StarLord in comics and the MCU as StarLord. That was the whole point I was trying to make. We've got some of the Hydra Avengers here, like a Hydra version of Iron Man, and I think there's one other, I'm not sure. Well, I guess those aren't... Okay, I thought Arnim Zola was the part of this battle, but apparently I was wrong. They just keep sending in different... they send in a different Hydra goon with, like, an electro pack on its back. I don't know. That'll finally put an end to him.
Say guten Tag to our latest creation, vibranium troopers.
You're all hot air, Zola.
We need to land this bird before they convert the rest of the vibranium.
Baron Zemo.
Another friend of yours?
You could say that. Panther, get after Claw. We'll fix this guy.
Got it.
This is a this is a really cool scene.
Did he now?
Thank goodness for rocket power.
Ha! Rocket power. Woogity woogity woogity.
So, you know how to fly this thing?
Sure. No problem.
Zemo's just up ahead.
I see him.
This is a really cool aerial battle. I like this part of this mission, really.
Take this! StarLord, shoot down those missiles.
Got it.
Okay.
More bad guys, huh?
Watch out, Cap. Incoming fire. Uh-oh. We've got company.
Gotta try and shake them off somehow.
A lucky shot.
Lucky, huh? We'll see about that.
Now he flips around and he's chasing us. I'm trying to figure out if you shoot down the other planes, if that's what keeps giving you the... Oh no, it's the balloons. It's the little balloons that they have. So it looks like if you shoot down 10 of those little balloons that are floating in the air, you probably end up running a mini kit. I don't want to get that one right away yet. I want to save that for the 100% walkthrough. So I already got one character token skin and one mini kit in this episode.
Looks like we're getting somewhere. Keep firing.
No! This is not possible!
It's nearly over.
But before it is over, I would like to obtain True Believer rank.
You didn't spot my little friends, did you?
Where did these guys come from?
This aerial battle really was well designed. Almost there. I want to collect a few more studs here. There we go. Alright, now we can finish off Zola.
He's going down.
Star Munch is just listening to his music. Is that a Hydra themed baby carriage? Really? Like, I've watched Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and the Hydra world,
Nice shooting.
Nice mess.
the Hydra dream world that they fell into is literally a living nightmare.
Greetings, friends. Miss Marvel gave tell of your peril. Captain Marvel and I will pursue Kang.
Agreed. All head back to Avengers Mansion when you're done.
After you.
No. After you.
Ah!
After her.
Alright. Trophy earned, live and let fly. Are you serious? First the Monty Python references, now the Beatles references. Yeah, that's funny. Alright. That'll complete the level Hydra hijinks. We did earn True Believer rank. And so we will also get a gold brick for completing that. We did earn the character token skin in this, and we got one mini kit. We did not rescue Stan Lee. I didn't even hear him calling out in this episode. That air battle was pretty cool, though. So, we unlocked Baron Zemo. We unlocked Bowman, which is the Hydra version of Hawkeye. We unlocked Claw. And we unlocked the Hydra version of Iron Man. And we unlocked Secret Empire Captain America. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and watch this next little cutscene.
By the gods, what is that foul stench?
A swamp? I've got this!
Looks like someone has beaten thee to it. Have at thee!
Thor, no!
Oh, Jesus.
My apologies. I mistook thee for a hideous swamp creature.
Huh?
I mean, obviously a very attractive hideous swamp creature.
God damn it.
Have you had your hair done? It looks very swampy. I mean, swanky.
Thor, just shut up.
Thank the gods. A fight!
Man thing? You're working with Kang now? Another one of Kang's goons? That guy just won't let up.
Then nor shall we.
Alrighty, guys, we'll have to continue this fight in the next episode. So I want to thank everyone so much for watching. My name has been I'm the Dude 5. This is I'm the Dude Games. Please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for notifications, follow me on Twitter. I'll provide a link in the description of this video. I will tweet out before each upload and or each stream. Like this video as well as any others of mine that you may enjoy, including the one I provide on screen. Also check out my friend Night the Wolf on YouTube. I'll provide an annotation on screen to his channel. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. As always, stay classy. I will see you all out there in the Marvel Universe.